Hello everybody. Now I'm going to show you the arteries and veins in the wall of the heart. So first let's see the arteries. This is the ascending aorta, and from the ascending aorta two coronary arteries, the right coronary artery, this one, and the left coronary artery, this one, arise and enter into the wall of the heart. And from the right coronary artery, these branches are called the marginal arteries. So, marginal arteries. And this is the left coronary artery. It divides into anterior interventricular artery in between the ventricles, and this is the front. That's why this is the anterior interventricular artery. And this one goes like this around the heart, and this is called the circumflex artery. So left coronary artery divides into circumflex that circles around, and this is the anterior interventricular artery. Okay, and the vein in the back of the heart, this short wide vein is called the coronary sinus, and the veins from the wall of the heart bring the blood into the coronary sinus. Then coronary sinus gives the blood into the right atrium. Okay, so this is the coronary sinus, this short wide vein in the back, and this one is a long vein going like this to all the way to the front, and you see here this way it goes down through the anterior interventricular sulcus. This one is called the great cardiac vein. So this vein is the great cardiac vein. Long vein goes to the coronary sinus. Okay, brings the blood into the coronary sinus. So that is one. And this one is called the anterior cardiac vein, and this one is the small cardiac vein. Small cardiac vein goes like this to the back. Here, see small cardiac vein to the coronary sinus. So this is the small cardiac vein. Okay, and this one is the middle cardiac vein in the posterior interventricular sulcus. Middle cardiac vein, and this artery in the posterior interventricular sulcus is called the posterior interventricular artery. Posterior vein of the left ventricle. So posterior vein of the left ventricle. So let's see again one more time. From the ascending aorta, this is the right coronary artery here. This is the left coronary artery. From right coronary artery, the marginal arteries go to the wall of the right ventricle, and from left coronary artery, this branch is anterior interventricular artery. This one is circumflex artery. Okay, and this is the posterior interventricular artery. Okay, in the back. Now let's see the veins. This is a short wide vein in the back. This is the coronary sinus, and from the coronary sinus, this one long vein go all the way to the front and goes down through the anterior interventricular sulcus. This is the great cardiac vein. Okay, so brings blood into the coronary sinus, and from the back of the coronary sinus, this one is going like this, and this is the small cardiac vein. So great cardiac vein this way, small cardiac vein this way, okay, and in between this is the middle cardiac vein along with the posterior interventricular artery, okay, and then this is the posterior vein of the left ventricle, okay, this is the left ventricle, so in the back of the left ventricle. So those are the veins of the wall of the heart, okay.